Hi, everyone. My name is Kiffany Francis, and I just graduated from the Nucamp Backend DevOps program, Bootcamp, this past August. And what I'd like to show you is my project for this program. So, what I did is I created a property manager using Flask, using a PostgreSQL database, containerizing it with Docker, and then deploying it to Amazon Web Services. This was all brand new to me. It was really challenging trying to get things configured and deployed to the cloud. I gained a ton of knowledge through this little modest project. So, just to show you, um, this is the code for my project. And what I did is that I created a little website, and instead of using JSON, I wanted to be able to have a website where you could do all the normal um, CRUD operations. So you can create, read, update, and delete um, items in the database just through the web instead of using JSON. So I have a property table that I create through Flask, and I have web pages that correspond to the different operations with web forms that you can use to edit what's in the database, add to it, delete from it. And I have my Docker file, um, my Docker Compose. So all of this was brand new to me, and I really did a lot of reading, a lot of experimentation um, in learning how to do this. So to show you the end product, what I have is a property manager. So you have properties and you have tenants who are occupying those properties. So I'd like to make this more complex. But just to demonstrate how it works, you can add a new property to your portfolio. You can add the tenant's name, and then it will be added to the list. You can also delete the property. It also deletes it from the table. You can edit and update these. Maybe I did not spell her name correctly. So you have the ability to update the address. You can update the tenant. You can delete the property. And that's really it. So I would like to thank you for your time and for listening to what I did for the project. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.